Hello everyone, this is Jigyasa, your physics expert, and today we are going to do some of the important numericals based on Lenz's formula, chapter 10, light. So, your first question is, an object is 2 meter from a lens which forms an erect image 1/4 the size of the object. Determine the focal length of the lens. What type of lens is this? Okay, we have to find out the focal length and then we have to write the type of lens. In this, we have not been given the type of lens. So we'll write the quantities given to us. We have been given U. An object is 2 meter from a lens. That means U is 2 meter. U is always taken as negative, तो हम U को -2 मीटर लिखेंगे. Which forms an erect image. Erect image means सीधी image बनाता है. 1/4 the size of the object. That means h dash is given to you as 1/4 the size of the object. Size of object को h से लिखते हैं, तो h dash is equal to 1/4 टाइम्स h लिखा है हमने, और पॉजिटिव साइन लगेगा यहाँ पर. पॉजिटिव साइन इसलिए क्योंकि यहाँ वर्ड दिया है इरेक्ट. यहाँ रियल इन्वर्टेड होता तो हम यहाँ माइनस साइन लगा के चलते. यहाँ इरेक्ट वर्ड है तो हम यहाँ पर प्लस साइन लेकर चलेंगे. ओके, नाउ विल यूज द फॉर्मूला फॉर मैग्निफिकेशन. m इज इक्वल टू h डैश बाय h एंड विल पुट द वैल्यू. h डैश की वैल्यू है 1/4 h, तो हमने h डैश की जगह पुट कर दिया 1/4 h और h की जगह h ही पुट कर दिया. h से h कैंसिल, हमारे पास मैग्निफिकेशन आई 1/4. ओके, वी हैव अनदर फॉर्मूला फॉर मैग्निफिकेशन. m इज इक्वल टू v बाय u. फॉर लेंस मैग्निफिकेशन इज इक्वल टू v बाय u. अब m की वैल्यू हमारे पास 1/4 है, v हमारे पास नहीं है एंड u इज -2. सो -2 को हम उधर ले जाएंगे. v comes out to be -1/2 meter. Now we'll be using Lenz's formula. By using Lenz's formula, we have 1/v minus 1/u is equal to 1/f. We'll put the values. 1/v is -1/2, तो -1/2 minus 1, u is -2 is equal to 1/f. f we have to find out. Then it will become -2/1 minus minus plus 1/2 is equal to 1/f. We'll take the LCM. 2 minus 4 plus 1 is equal to 1/f. Minus 3/2 is equal to 1/f, or f can be written as -2/3 meters, which can be equal to -0.66 meters. Okay, now you can also convert u in centimeter from the starting itself, or by doing by this method you can convert focal length in centimeter here. Okay, so this is your focal length, -0.66 meter. Now you have to state the type of lens. You have to state the type of lens. Focal length is negative. So our lens will be, हम कनकेव लेंस के केस में ये वाली फोकल लेंथ f1 यूज करते हैं, तो हमारी फोकल लेंथ कैसी होगी? नेगेटिव इस केस में. तो आवर लेंस विल बी concave. Our second question is a magnifying lens होता है हमारा convex lens. A a magnifying lens has a focal length of 100 millimeter. An object whose size is 16 mm is placed at some distance from the lens so that an image is formed at a distance of 25 centimeter in front of the lens. You have to find out two things. First is what is the distance between the object and the lens. Second is where should the object be placed if the image is to form at infinity. So magnifying lens is given. That means we have to use here convex lens. Focal length is given to be 100 mm. We will convert it into centimeters by dividing it by 10. This will be 10 centimeter. An object whose size is given. That means h is given to be 16 mm. इसे भी हम convert कर लेंगे सेंटीमीटर्स में 10 से डिवाइड करके. It will be 1.6 centimeter. Now image distance is given to be 25 centimeter. That means V is equal to 25 centimeter. Now the thing is हमें यहाँ पर V प्लस लेना है या माइनस लेना है, ये हमें चेक करना है. As we know, we have 6 cases of image formation by convex lens. Now, when the object is placed between F1 and O, the image formed is enlarged, and this case is used for magnifying purpose. So here our V will be this. We have to take it as negative, okay, as it is at the left side of the lens, so V will be negative. Now we have to find out U, so we'll be using lens formula. We have 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. 1 by minus 25 minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by 10. We'll be taking minus 1 by 25 that side. It will become 1 by 25. We'll be taking LCM of 10 and 25. It will be 50. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7 by 50. Minus 1 by U comes out to be 7 by 50, or U will become minus 50 by 7, or it can be converted into decimal, minus 7.14 centimeters. So this is our first part, distance between the object and the lens, that is U. Now second part is where should the object be placed if the image is to form at infinity. You know, अगर आप चाहते हो आपकी इमेज इन्फिनिटी पे बने तो आपका ऑब्जेक्ट कहाँ होना चाहिए, फोकस पर. तो योर आंसर इज एट फोकस. एंड व्हाट इज अ फोकल लेंथ? 10 centimeter. So when the object is placed at 10 centimeter, your image will be at infinity. Let us see our third question. A lens of focal length 20 centimeter is used to produce a 10 times magnified image of a film slide on a screen. How far must the slide be placed from the lens? इस क्वेश्चन में भी आपको लेंस मेंशन नहीं है कि कौन सा लेंस है. यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई योर ओन. स्क्रीन पर हमेशा रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड इमेज बनती है, तो रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड इमेज कन्वेक्स लेंस फॉर्म करता है. तो यहाँ से हमें पता चला कि लेंस जो है वो कन्वेक्स लेंस है. सो फोकल लेंथ इज गिवन टू बी 20 सेंटीमीटर. कन्वेक्स लेंस में हम फोकल लेंथ पॉजिटिव लेकर चलते हैं, तो दिस विल बी +20. is used to produce 10 times magnified image. Magnification is given to be 10 times. Now as I had already told you कि स्क्रीन पर रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड इमेज बनती है, तो इन्वर्टेड इमेज के लिए जो मैग्निफिकेशन होती है दैट इज माइनस होती है, तो हम -10 लेकर चलेंगे. नाउ यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट हाउ फार मस्ट द स्लाइड बी प्लेस्ड फ्रॉम द लेंस. उसी स्लाइड पर आपकी इमेज फॉर्म हो रही है, दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द V. So we'll be using formula for magnification. M is equal to V by U. M is -10. V आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. U also you have to find out क्योंकि U भी given नहीं है इसमें. You will take U that side. V will be equal to -10 into U. This is the relation between V and U. Now we'll be using Lenz's formula, which is 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Now instead of V, we'll write minus 10U. Minus 10U minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by value of F is 20. So we'll put 20 here. Now it will become minus 1 by 10U minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by 20. Now taking the LCM of 10U and U, it will be 10U. Minus 1 minus 10 is equal to 1 by 20. So this will become minus 11 by 10U is equal to 1 by 20. Minus 11 by 10 into 20 by cross multiplying will get U. 0 से 0 कैंसिल हो जाएगी. U आपके पास आ गया -22 सेंटीमीटर. Now you will put this value of U in this relation. You have V is equal to minus 10U. आप U की वैल्यू -22 इसमें पुट कर देंगे. Minus minus will become plus and 10 into 22 is 220 centimeter. So your image will be located at 220 centimeter.